Good morning, dear student. Dear student, we are going with conversion to and from number system. Yes, student. So, in last class, we read about the decimal to binary conversion and binary to decimal conversion. Okay. So today we will learn about the decimal to octal conversion. Decimal to octal conversion. Okay, so let's suppose any number 15. Okay, student. Yes, and that to convert a decimal number. Okay, so base decimal number, so the base 10, decimal number base 0 to 9. Okay, so here 15 and under write the 10, so that indicate the decimal number and convert to the octal number. How? So today we learn. So that to convert a decimal number into its octal equivalent. Okay, so the same procedure is adopted as decimal to binary, but here the decimal number is divided by number 10, not 2. Okay, yes, decimal to binary. Decimal to binary, student, divide by 2. That's, suppose your number any 72. Okay, and divide, so factorization do that type. Okay, yes. So but here change to octal number. So what's the base of octal? 8. Okay, so here divide by 8, student. Yes, 15 divide by 8. So 8 1 ja 18. 8 1 ja 18, and here write the remainder. Yes, and there divide by 2, and here divide by 8, because converting in octal number. So 8. So what's the remainder? 8 1 ja 8, and remainder 7 remain here. Okay, and 0 right here and 1 here, and down to up. So that's 1 7. Okay, student. Yes. So this is your octal to a decimal to octal. Okay, student. Let's suppose the other example of decimal to octal. So let's suppose any number 114. 114, and write the 10. Okay, so to an octal number, divide and remainder here 8 1 ja, yes, here 8 1 ja 8, 3 remainder and 4. Okay, and 8 4 ja 32. Okay, so that means 8 14, and 2 remainder, so write here 2. Okay, clear? And 8 14, 8 1 ja 8 1 ja 8, 14 minus 8 6. Okay, so that means 8 1 ja. Okay, and remainder here 6. Yes, and write here 0 and here write the 1. So down to up 1 6 2. So what's the that decimal number octal conversion? So therefore the octal value will be 162. Okay student, clear? How does the change decimal to octal? Okay, and here then we learn next step octal to decimal. Okay, octal to decimal conversion. Okay student, so what is the base of octal? 8. Yes, so multiply by 8. Okay students, suppose let's example 65. Okay, but this is octal number, so we will write here 8. So this indicate that means this is octal number. Okay, yes, and convert to decimal. So how much? How many number here? 2. Okay, so 6 into 8. Okay, and power 1 plus. Okay student, write the second digit number 6 and total number 1 and 2. Okay, so less than one number and put the value, put the power of 8. Okay, and plus 5 second. So 5 will be right and 8 power 0. Okay, so 8 6 are 48 and 1, that's value 8 power 0 is equal to 1. Yes student, so 5 into 1, so 48 plus 5. Okay, and here 53. The base 10. Base 10, that indicate to this is a decimal number. So 65 octal number convert to the decimal. So decimal number will be the value of 53. Okay student, clear? And 127, let's example, other example. 127, this is octal number. Okay, converting into decimal number, how? 1 2 3. So write the value 1, multiply by 8 and put the power 2, because is here 3 number, 1 2 3 number. Okay student, and plus 2 into 8 power 1 plus 7 into 8 power 0. Clear? 2 1 0. So 1 into 8 square 64 plus 2 into 8 and plus 7 into 1. Okay student, 64 plus 16 plus 7 is equal to 87. Okay, so 87 is a decimal number, so here write the decimal value. Okay, so the decimal value will be 87. Clear? Octal to decimal and decimal to octal, very simple. And next, octal to binary number. Okay, octal to binary. So to convert an octal numbers into binary equivalent, each octal digit of the number is converted into 3-bit binary equivalent. Okay, so let's suppose any octal number 1574. Okay, student? Yes. This is a octal number. So this octal number changed to binary. So in last class you wrote that some octal number to binary number table. Okay, student? Yes. So 1 to 7. Yes. So what's the 0 to 7? So what's the binary number of 1? Yes. You learn 0 0 1. Okay, student? 0 0 1 is the binary number of that one, and 5 1 0 1. Okay, and 7 7 1 1 1 1 1 1, and 4, that's 1 double 0. Okay, clear, student? So this is a binary number. So the base is 2. Okay, student? So yes, so please learn the all octal number 0 to 7. Okay, yes. And next example of binary, octal to binary. Suppose 2046 is the octal number. Okay, so what's the binary number of 2? So 0 1 0. Okay, and 0 0 0 0. All number value in 3 digit. Okay, yes. And 4, so 4 1 0 0. Yes, and 6 1 1 0. Okay, students, so please learn the 0 to 7 octal number. What's the value of the different number in binary number? Okay, yes. So, and next topic, binary to octal. Binary to octal conversion. So you have example 1 0 1 1 0. Okay, and suppose 1 1 1 0 1. Okay, so this is a binary number. Okay, convert to the octal. So make a 3-digit pair. Okay, yes, from the right side. So 1 0 1 one pair and 1 0 0 1 second pair. So what's the value of 1 0 0? So look, 1 0 0 value of 4, write the 4, and 1 0 1 value of 5. So here write 5. Okay, yes. So this is a octal number. Okay, student. Clear? Yes. And second example, suppose you have 1 1 1 1 0 0 and 0 0 1. Okay, student. So this is a binary number, converting that 1. Okay, 1 1 1. So the value of 1 1 1 7, and 1 0 0 the value 4, and 0 0 1 that's value 1. Okay, so that's 741 octal number of that binary number. Okay, student, clear? And next conversion, hexadecimal to decimal conversion. Okay, hexadecimal to decimal conversion. Okay, student. So to convert hexadecimal number into decimal number equivalent, the same procedure is used as binary to decimal, but here number is expressed as the sum of power 16. Okay, with octal 8 and decimal 2. Okay, decimal 10 and binary number 2, but this is a hexadecimal, so hexadecimal is a base of 16, you know that. So sum of power 16. Okay, yes. So if you are doing this conversion orally, so that it is easier to start backward. Okay, so that's counting the number of digit that takes extra time. So, and you might count wrongly. Okay, if you don't remember what a particular value of a power, so of 16, so that it is easier to calculate it from the previous power value. Okay, yeah. So let's example 5F A 8. So this is a hexadecimal number, so base 16. Okay, student? Yes. So that's value. What's the value in decimal form? Okay. So look, 1 2 3 4. So 5 into 16 power 3. Okay, student? So that means, and plus F into 16 power 2 and plus A into 16 power 1 and plus 8 into 16 power 0. Okay, student? And you know that what's the value of A to F, because in decimal section the base, what's the base of hexagonal? 16. So how the make of 16? 0 to 9 10 digit and A to F 6 digit. Okay, yeah. So 10 and 6, so that's 16. So what's the value of F and A? So 5 into 16 power 3. Okay, so that means 16 multiplied by 16 in 3 times. Okay, so yes, so that's value 4906. Okay, student? Yes, and plus, so what's the value of F? So So the value of F15. Okay, student? You know how the value of 15? Yes? Look, have here table. Okay, A, the value of decimal in decimal form 10, B 11, C 12, D 13, E 14. Okay, and F 15. Okay, student? Yeah, so here 15. And suppose E, F and G maybe, so that's 16. Okay, student? Yes. And here octal to binary table 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so please learn that octal to binary table and that's hexadecimal table. Okay, so that here two tables are important for you. Okay, student? Yes, so please learn that. So okay, student, so F and 16 square, so that 16 square value 256 plus A value is 10 into 16 and plus 8 into 1. Okay, student? Clear? So that's multiply 5 into 4,906, the value of 20,480. Okay, and 15 into 256, 3,840. Okay, and 10 into 16, 160, and plus 8 into 1, 8. Okay, so total the number, then we will find 24,488. Okay, student? Yeah. So this is a decimal number. So the base 10. Okay? Yes. Clear? How very easy that? Okay, converting to hexadecimal to binary. Okay, clear? Here are 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So make a power 3. Okay, yes. 5 into 16. We know why? Multiply by 16 because it is a hexadecimal number. So the hexadecimal base 16. Okay, yes. Here F into 16 square and that third number A into 16 and 8A. So here the 16 power Q value 4996 and F value is 15 and 16 square is value 256 and A value 10 and 16 power 1 16, 8 into 16 power 0, that means value 1, and multiply to each other. So we will find that number. Okay, student? Yes. So clear? How will we change the hexadecimal to decimal? So let's other example. Let's see the other example. 3D 4C2 3D 4C2. Okay, student? So this is a hexadecimal number. Here 16. Okay, let's start. How will you convert the decimal number? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 into 16 power 5. So one number minus. So here 4. Okay, and next number D into 16 power 3. Next number 4. 4 into 6 power 16 square plus c into 16 1 and plus 2 into 16 power 0. Okay. So 3 into 16 whole power 16 power 6. The value 65,536. And what's the value of D? A 10, B 11, C 12 and D 13. So write here the value of D 13. Okay student. And 16 power 3. So that means 4096. Okay student. And 4 into 256 16 square and C value A, B, C 10, 11, 12. 12 into 16 plus 2 into 1. So multiply by that number and after add. So you got 2, 5, 1, 0, 7, 4. Okay. Yes. So this is very easy. And only left conversion, decimal to, okay student, clear? How will convert the hexadecimal to decimal? And last conversion, decimal to hexadecimal conversion. Okay student. Yes, suppose to convert decimal to hexadecimal, okay, so have some step. First divide the decimal number by 16. Okay. Yes. And second, write down the remainder same with the other conversion. Okay. And divide the result again by 16 and treat the division as an integer division. Okay. So look, 256 is a decimal number. Okay. So how will we convert the decimal? Look, 256 right here, remainder divide by 16. So 16 1 ja 16 and remainder 9. Okay. And here 6. Okay. So that 16 5 ja 80. Okay. And 16 6 ja 96. So here no any remainder. Okay. So write the 0. Okay. No any remainder. And 16 1 ja 16, no any remainder, so write the 0. And here 1, so write the 0. And this one transfer to here, so that's right up down to up, so 1 0 0. Okay student, clear? And next, your in ABC format. Okay, so suppose 188 decimal number. Okay, so 188 divide 188. This is a decimal number. So 16 1 ja 16. Okay, so that means 2 and 16 2 ja 32 is more, so 1 time 16 to 1, remainder is 12. So what's the value of 12? B. Okay student, C, B value is 11. Yes, so that's 188 16. Here is remainder, right here 11 and here 12, so write the B. Okay student, clear? And here is 11 not divided by 16, so write here 0 and here 11. But what's the value of 11? 11, so A B. Okay, sorry, here is C and the value of 11 B. Okay, so that means B. Okay student, here because here is remainder 12. Okay, so that's 12 remainder, so that means C, and 11 here, so that's value of 11 B. Okay student, so that means B C. Clear? Yes, the value will be B C. And in next class we will read the binary arithmetic. Okay student? Yes. So how will we add the binary number and subtract the binary number? Okay. So please do the practice with that, converting the following section 3 question number. So do that 1 to 8. Okay student? Yes, do the self. So that's good converging. So please do the practice. Okay student, with question number 3rd. Thank you so much.